Hello student, welcome to EduCrest class 3rd to 8. Today we will be addressing top 50 general knowledge question for grade 8. Please score and comment at last everyone. Okay, and subscribe my channels also. Your question number 1 is who led the salt satyagraha in 1930? Your option A is Jawaharlal Nehru, B Mahatma Gandhi, C Subhash Chandra Bose and D Sardar Patel. Your correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. You know Mahatma Gandhi, everyone? Mahatma Gandhi led the Salt Satyagraha in 1930. It was a peaceful protest against the British salt law during the civil disobedience movement. Okay, now next question is question number 2. Which is the longest river in India? Option A Brahmaputra, option B Godavari, option C Yamuna and option D Ganga. Your correct answer is option D, Ganga. River Ganga is considered the longest river in India. It flows across the several states and finally empties into the Bay of Bengal. Now next question is question number is 3. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Option A part 2nd, option B part 3rd and option C part 4 and option D part 1. Your correct answer is option B part 3rd. Fundamental rights are given in part 3rd of the Indian Constitution. These rights protect the freedom and equality of citizens. Now next question is during the photosynthesis, which gas do plants release? Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen and option D hydrogen. Your correct answer is option A oxygen. During the photosynthesis, plant release oxygen into the air. This oxygen is essential for the survival of living beings. Now next question is Republic Day is celebrated on which date? Option A 15 August, option B 26 January and option C is 2nd October and option D is 5th September. Your correct answer is option B 26 January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. On this day in 1950, the Indian Constitution came into effect. Now next question is which is India's highest civilian award? Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Your correct answer is option B Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is India's highest civilian award. It is given for exceptional services to the nation. Swadeshi movement began in 1905 to protest which act? Rowlatt Act, Partition of Bengal, Indigo Revolt, Champaran Satyagraha. Your correct answer is option B, Partition of Bengal. The Swadeshi movement began in 1905 to protect the partition of Bengal. It encouraged people to use Indian-made goods. Now next question is which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Option D is Maharashtra. Your correct answer is option A Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline among Indian states. It lies along the Arabian Seas. Now next question number 9 is who preside over the Rajya Sabha? Option A Prime Minister, option B President, option C Speaker of Lok Sabha and option D Vice President. Your correct answer is option D, Vice President. And Vice President of India presides the over the Rajya Sabha. He acts as its ex officio chairman. Question number 10. Which force keeps planet in orbit around the sun? Option A, magnetism, B, gravity, C, friction, and D, electromagnetism. Your correct answer is option B, gravity. Gravity is the force that keeps the planet in the air orbit around the sun. This force attracts objects towards each other. Now next question. Gandhi Jayanti is observed on which date? Option A 2nd October, option B 14 November, and option C 15 August, and option D 5 September. Your correct answer is option B 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is observed on 2nd October. It marks the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Which sports uses a shuttlecock? Sorry. Option A cricket, option B tennis, option C badminton, and option D football. Your correct answer badminton. Badminton is the sport that uses a shuttlecock. It is played using rackets over a net. Question number 13. Which queen led the rebellion in Jhansi in 1857? Rani Lakshmibai, option B Razia Sultan, and option C Noor Jahan, option D Mumtaz. Your answer is Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai led the rebellion in Jhansi during the revolt of 1857. She is remembered for her bravery. Question 14. Which river flow through the Delhi? Option A Yamuna, option B Ganga, and option C Brahmaputra, and D is Godavari. Your correct answer is option A Yamuna. The Yamuna river flows through the Delhi. It is an important tributary of the Ganga. Question 15. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option A Prime Minister, B President, and C Parliament, and D is Chief Justice of India. Your correct answer option B President. The Chief Election Commissioner of India is appointed by the President. He heads the Election Commission. Question 16. Which vitamin help the blood clotting? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, C vitamin K, and D vitamin C. Your correct answer is vitamin K. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. It prevents excessive bleeding when we get injured. Question 17. Taj Mahal was built by which emperor? Option A Akbar, option B Jahangir, option C Shah Jahan, and D Aurangzeb. Your correct answer is Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It was built in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Question 18. Which range form up the northern boundary of India? Option A Aravalli, option B Vindhya, and option C Himalayas, and D Satpura. Your correct answer Himalayas. The Himalayas form up the northern boundary of the India. They protect the country from cold winds. Question 19. Which is India's national animal? You know, option A elephant, option B tiger, and option C lion, and option D leopard. Your correct answer is option B tiger. The tiger is the national animal of India. It represents strength, power, and grace. Question 20. What is India's highest sporting honor? A. Arjuna Award, B. Padam Bhushan, C. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, and D is Padam Shri. Your correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Option C. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna is India's highest sporting honor. It is given to the outstanding sports person. Question number 21 is, in which year did the Quilt India movement begin? Option A 1942, option B 1930, option C 1919, and option D is 1947. Your correct answer is option A 1942. The Quilt India movement began in 1940. It was launched to demand on into British rule in India. Question number 22. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Option A Dayanand Saraswati, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Swami Vivekananda, and option D Rabindranath Tagore. Your correct answer is option A Dayanand Saraswati. Arya Samaj was founded by Dayanand Saraswati. It will focus on the social reform and Vedic teachings. Question number 23 is, who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? Option A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Jawaharlal Nehru, and option D Subhash Chandra Bose. Your correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The slogan Swaraj is my birthright was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It inspired the Indians to fight for the freedom. Question number 24 is, which is the longest river wholly in India? Option A Ganga, option B Godavari, and option C Brahmaputra, and option D Narmada. Correct answer is Godavari, option B. Godavari is the longest river that flows entirely within India. It is also called the Dakshin Ganga. Which is the highest peak in India generally taught in schools? Option A Kanchenjunga, B K2, and C Nanda Devi, and D Dhaulgiri. The correct answer is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is taught as the highest peak in India. It is located in the Himalayas range. Now question number 26 is, what is the national animal of India? Option A tiger, option B lion, option C elephant, and option D is peacock. Your correct answer is option A tiger. The national animal of India is the tiger. It is symbolized the courage and the national of pride. 27 question is, which article provides the right and education for all the children in India? Option A article 21A, option B article 19, option C article 14, and option D is 25. Your correct answer is option A article 21A. Article 20A provides the right and education. It ensures the free and the compulsory education for the children aged 6 to 14. Question number 28. Who presides over the Rajya Sabha? The presidents, option A and B, the prime minister and the speaker, and D, the vice president. Your correct answer is option D, the vice president. The vice president presides over the Rajya Sabha. He maintains order and during its the proceedings. Your question 29 is, which gas do plants release during the photosynthesis? Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, and option C nitrogen, and option D hydrogen. Plant release. Your correct answer is option A oxygen. Plant release oxygen during the photosynthesis. This process helps them maintain balance in the atmosphere. Now, question number 30. Which part of the plant make food? Option A root, option B stem, option C leaves, and option D flowers. Your correct answer is option C leaves. Leaves make food for the plant. They contain the chlorophyll which help in the photosynthesis. Your question 31 is, which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C carbon dioxide, and option D argon. The correct answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. It makes up about 78% of the air. Question number 32. World Environment Day is observed on which date? Option A June 5th, option B April 22, option C March 8, and option D September 5th. Correct answer is option A June 5th. Question number 33 is, International Day of Yoga is observed on which date? Option A June 21, option B May 21, option C August 15 and option D October 2nd. Your correct answer is June 21. International Day of Yoga is celebrated 21st June. It is highlights the importance of yoga for health. Now 34 question is World Health Day is observed on which date? Option A April 7, option B March 5th, option C June 1st and option D November 14th. Your correct answer is April 7. World Health Day is observed on 7 April. It focuses on the global health issues. Question 35 is which sport uses a shuttlecock? Option A cricket, option B badminton, option C football and option D tennis. Your correct answer is badminton. Badminton is the sport that uses the shuttlecock. It is played on both indoor and outdoor. Now next question number 36. Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? Option A Brazil, option B China, option C UK and option D Russia. The correct answer is Brazil. Brazil hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics. The event were held in Rio de Janeiro. Question number 37. Which is India's highest civilian award? Bharat Ratna, option A, option B Padma Bhushan, option C Padma Bhushan and option D Padma Shri. Your correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is highest civilian award. It is given extraordinary national service. Question number 38. Who was the first president of India? Option A Rajendra Prasad, option B Jail Singh and option C APJ Abdul Kalam and option D Pratibha Patil. Your correct answer is option A Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He served from 1950 to 1962. Now next question number 39. Which desert is the largest in India? Option A Thar Desert, option B Great Indian Desert, option C Kumari Desert and option D Run of Kutch. Your correct answer is Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Question number 40. The Salt March of 1930 led by Gandhi was part of which movement? Option A Civil Disobedience Movement, option B Non-Cooperation Movement, option C Quit India Movement and option D Swadeshi Movement. Your correct answer is option A Civil Disobedience Movement. The Salt March of 1930 was part of the Civil Disobedience Movement. It challenged British laws peacefully. Now next question number 41. Who was the first president of independent India? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Rajendra Prasad and option D Sardar Patel. Your correct answer is Rajendra Prasad, option C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president independent India. He played a key role in the Constituent Assembly. Question number 42. Which is the largest ocean? Option A Atlantic Ocean, option B Indian Ocean, option D Pacific Ocean and option D Southern Ocean. Your correct answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It covers more areas than all the land combined. Now next question number 43. Which part of this Indian constitution contain the fundamental rights? Option A Part 2nd, option B Part 3rd and option C Part 4 and option D Part 1. Your correct answer is option B Part 3rd. Fundamental rights are the mentioned in the Part 3 of the Constitution. They ensure the equality of and freedom. Question number 44. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Option A oxygen, option B is nitrogen and option C carbon dioxide and D is argon. Your correct answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. It helps the maintain balance. Your question number 45 is on which date is India Republic the celebrated? Option A 26 January, option B 15 August, and option C 14 November, and option D 26 August. Your correct answer is 26 January, option A. India celebrated Republic Day on 26 January. The constitution came into the force on this day. Now next, question number 46. Which sport uses a shuttlecock? Option A tennis, option B badminton, option C squash, and option D cricket. Your correct answer is option B badminton. Badminton uses a shuttlecock. It plays using a rackets over a net. Now next, question number 47. In which year did the Indian National Congress adopt the resolution for a Purna Swaraj? Option A 1928, option B 1929, option C 1930, and option D is 1931. Your correct answer is option B 1929. And the Purna Swaraj resolution was adopted in 1929. It declared the complete independence as India's goal. Now next, question number 48. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Your option A is Rajasthan, and B Maharashtra, and C Uttar Pradesh, and D Madhya Pradesh. Your correct answer is option A Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by the area. It is located in northwest in India. Your question number 49 is who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Your option A is President, and B Prime Minister, and C Parliament, and D Governor. Correct answer is option A President. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by the President of India. He conducts the free and fair election. Now next question is which organelle in plant cells is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? Your option is here. Your correct answer is chloroplast. Chloroplasts are responsible for photosynthesis in plant cells. They contain chlorophyll for making food. Okay everyone, please subscribe my channel, comment down and score. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye everyone.